Pringle. There's his team, Pangasinan Mariano. Two teams on the floor right now. Let's get this thing going. And Team Pangasinan Mariano, the first possession, and not getting the first point here. All de la Cruz and Team Bataan Pringle. All de la Cruz spins, kicks it out. Reverse. Can't connect there. It's RJ Ramirez. Right now, Urban J. Silvelia. With that running shot that he missed earlier. This corner jumper. Jason Colon is a miss. RJ Ramirez getting it back. Tries the second time around. Still nothing. Jason Apolonio. Red Bulls. Urban J. Sevilla missing. Better Salamat goes for the two. It's short. Touch it last. Shot from the outside for a two-pointer. That's a miss. Urban J. Silvelia. Here comes RJ Ramirez. He got blocked. A two-pointer for Jason Apolonio. Kick-out pass at the two. Yes, Urban J. Silvelia. So now it's a close one here, 5-4. Team Pringle behind the second on the 1-point lead. About this. Oh my. Tap out at the basket. Jason Apolonio. service. Bennett Salamat. Paul de la Cruz. Salamat. Paul de la Cruz, the two-pointer is long and strong. The tap. Won by the white shirts of Team Mariano Pangasinan. Apolonio. No. Kenneth Reyes driving. The layup is in. 8-5. Apolonio lost it to Bennett Salamat. De la Cruz. Kenneth Reyes. Air ball. Kenneth tries again. Another air ball. This time it's closer. Finally a basket. So they're getting closer now. They're just down by 2. Team Pringle Bataan. Jason Villa missing the outside shot. Paul de la Cruz. Bennett Salamat. Bennett Salamat. Two-pointer. And we're all tied up. 8-all. Not anymore after that Sevilla basket. 10-8. Kenneth Reyes. Burns. Salamat with a 2 and short. Ball goes outbounds. 10-8 for Team Mariano Pangasinan with 5 minutes and 55 remaining. Can he do it again? No, that's long and strong. They got the ball back. Jumper gets his own miss, got fouled. What an effort with Christian Corpus. Missing a free throw, Salamat for rebound. RJ Ramirez is back. RJ Ramirez. Difficult angled shot, but it goes in. 1-point game. Irvin Jason Bellion. Braden. The shot is off. There's that rebound by Aaron Yona. Now it's going to be called. Irvin Jason Bellion of CEU, school at CEU. Missed the free throw. It's Paul de la Cruz. 2-point game. Bennett Salamat attacking. Gets a double team. This pass. RJ Ramirez changing hands in mid-air. 1-point game. Christian Corpus. Yoma. How about that shot? Backing shot. Irvin Jason Bellion. 13-10 lead for Team Mariano Pangasinan. There's that shot clock. There's that good save. Ends up with Christian Corpus. To Bellion again. That 2-pointer is in. 15-10. Team Mariano Pangasinan. Bennett Salamat. Can't cash in and that jump hook. Paul de la Cruz. And look for Kenneth Reyes. Nice bounce pass. Layup is a miss though. Foul on Ian Ralph Leona. Kenneth Reyes played in the UCBL. Bulacan State University missing that free throw. 15-10 lead for Team Mariano Pangasinan. 4 minutes remaining. Long bomb, on goal. Step back 2, go. Bennett Salamat, Kenneth Reyes, Paul de la Cruz, drives, Paul de la Cruz, blocked. Apolonio. Sevilla. And Leona with a basket. How about that pick and roll? This in a corner. Better Salamat. Second chance. 3 minutes and 22 remaining. Rono can put it up on the outside. Viola. Silvelia. Rebound, Paul de la Cruz. Get it fast. Paul de la Cruz wants it too. That's offline. And the rebound battle. Session will go the way of Team Pangasinan Yellow. They get a 5-point lead, 2 minutes and 54. Jason Apolonio, no, it's and Ralph Leona. This is Jason Apolonio with a basketball. Apolonio gets Better Salamat. There's that foul.
Time out ba? Sige, time out. Time out.
And we got a timeout, 16-11 lead for Team Mariano Pangasinan in the quarterfinals. Leading Team Pringle Bataan. Still 2 minutes and 2 minutes and a half, basically, remaining in this game. Christian Corpus off the knee. Too deep, though. Better Salamat with a 2. He overshoots. And Urban Jason Bentley with a basketball. Who goes for the 2-pointer? 18-11 lead for Team Mariano Pangasinan. And RJ Ramirez will go into the line as he was fouled in the end. This is a shot. Better Salamat. Paul de la Cruz. And hit that too. It's it back. Quick tap. Better Salamat lost control. Lost the basketball. Corpus, Silvelia, time! Another one. Paul de la Cruz, Better Salamat, gets it. 99 seconds remaining. Silvelia again goes for the long ball, that's short. Paul de la Cruz left open. Can't hit it from that area. Got the ball back. RJ Ramirez. Still can't hit it. Better Salamat to the basket. They need just the basket here. Team Mariano Pangasinan. Jason Apolonio could not finish it yet. They're catching up. Paul de la Cruz for the 2. Down to 5. The lead. 1 minute remaining. Can they do it this time? Not Better Salamat again with a basket. No, it doesn't count. So they lost the scoring opportunity. Anspo. So I think we will end this via the free throws. Team Mariano Pangasinan. They move on. Alright, stand by for our 3-point shootout contest. Yes, we got another 3-point shootout contest.